Before you can change the text message sound on Android, you'll need to change one important system setting first. First, we'll go to Settings and scroll down to Notifications. Then go to Advanced Settings, and all the way on the bottom, look for this setting that says Manage Notification Categories for each app. This needs to be turned on. Once that's on, you can go to App Notifications. Then scroll down to Messages, or whatever messaging app you're using. Tap Notification Categories, and then Incoming Messages. Then under Sound, you can choose a custom sound for incoming messages. The notification categories are slightly different depending on which app you're using for messages, but the main idea is the same. You can choose from built-in options, or you can add custom songs and sounds as well. I have a separate video for that, and I'll link it in the description if you're interested. While you're here, you can change notification sounds for any app on your phone, whether that's messaging apps or something completely different. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy and fast Android tutorials like this.